What is Nearbound? If outbound interrupts your buyer and inbound attracts your buyer, Nearbound surrounds your buyer. People are overwhelmed with information. Ads, emails, content. There's way too much. Buyers no longer ask, how do I solve my problem? Because frankly, there are too many answers. Instead, they ask, who can help me solve my problem? They are influenced more than ever by the voices surrounding them that they trust. You have to reach buyers with and through those voices. That's Nearbound. It's partnering with the people and companies that surround your buyer instead of relying solely on direct methods. Nearbound complements outbound and inbound go-to-market. Layering intel, intros, and influence from partners around your buyer makes all of your tactics more effective. From co-marketing to co-selling and co-servicing, when you tap into the relationships others already have with your buyer, you win. Deals with one or more partners involved close 35% faster, have a 43% higher win rate, and are twice as large on average. It's crucial to find out who surrounds your buyer, partner with them, and work together to drive revenue. Start by connecting with your partners on Reveal and discovering your common customers and prospects so you can find qualified leads, go to market together, and close more deals.